Happy Lunar New Year! People celebrate Lunar New Year in China and all over the world. The celebration lasts for 15 days in January or February. What are some things people do to get ready for the new year? First, people get haircuts and new clothes. That gives them a fresh start for the new year. Then, families clean the house. They make sure to sweep out all the old dust. Families have huge feasts. Everyone sits at a big round table and shares every dish. They use chopsticks to eat their food. At this feast, people eat lettuce for wealth, duck for happiness, long noodles for a long life, and cookies as a special treat. People visit friends and family. They give each other oranges for good luck. There are lots of red decorations for Lunar New Year. In China, red is the color of happiness. Here are some lion dancers. They dance and run and do martial arts. Now it's time to go to the parade. At the end of the parade, there is a big dragon puppet. It takes a lot of people to hold this dragon up. Sometimes, as many as 50 people are holding it. When the dragon comes by, lots of firecrackers go off. That means Lunar New Year is here at last.